Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing, where I grab something we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today we have the B2 RAGE Micro Series 800 watt 4-channel 2 ohm Class D full range amplifier, or the B2 RAGE-MI-800.4. The B2 RAGE-MI-800.4 is an amplifier designed to deliver up to 800 watts of power across 4 channels, driving your speakers to their fullest potential. Featuring Class D efficiency, it maximizes performance while minimizing heat generation, ensuring consistent, high-quality sound. Its compact design allows for easy integration into any audio setup without sacrificing power or functionality. Now let's talk a little bit about its features. Its total watts are 800, and the RMS at 4 ohms is 120 watts per channel, while its RMS at 2 ohms is 200 watts per channel. It's a Class D full-range amplifier, and its power terminal gauge is 8 AWG. Now moving on onto its price. This amplifier falls under $249.95. Versatile and powerful, this amplifier supports both high-end tweeters and subwoofers, providing clear distortion-free audio from highs to lows. If you're interested in getting this product, make sure to visit bigjeffaudio.com/collections/B2 audio. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below something you would like to see unboxed. Don't forget to follow our Facebook for constant updates and daily sales. You don't want to miss out on that. But thank you for watching.